Install the guy wires on the mast. First, insert a cable thimble into each cable hole. You will need safety equipment for this step: gloves and safety goggles. Next, insert the guy wire into the gripple. Use the arrows on the gripple as a guide. Route the cable around the thimble, through the guy wire fitting, and then back through the other side of the gripple. The cable should extend at least 3 inches past the gripple. Tighten the gripple so that it is as close to the thimble as possible. Repeat for each guy wire. Attach the lightning rod to the mast with 2 clamps. Space the clamps at least 12 inches apart and tighten them with a flat blade screwdriver. Tighten the lightning rod with the hex key. The rod should be positioned at least 12 inches above the highest sensor. Use a position that allows for this clearance. Raise the tripod. You will need safety equipment for this step: gloves and safety goggles. Enlist the help of an assistant if necessary. Consider the position of the crossarm and sensors before anchoring the tripod in the next step.